Yo, what's up guys? Today, I'm gonna show you one of the best and easiest strategies you can use on Quotex. If you trade on Quotex, this is for you. And if you're into IQ option or pocket option, I got videos for those too, so check them out on my channel. Today, I'm using a super simple trick to predict the next 5 minutes of any market, and we're gonna use parabolic SAR and vortex indicators. Between the two, I focus more on vortex because it's really accurate, like 90% clear predictions. So follow along, watch everything I do, and make sure you don't miss any details. Alright, first, we need to set up the indicators. Find parabolic SAR, click on it, and don't change any settings. Just make the color yellow and hit apply. Now add the vortex indicator. Again, don't touch the settings. Just change the VI plus color to green and leave the VI minus color as red. Click apply and we're good to go. Now let me explain how this strategy works. First, look at the vortex indicator. If the red line crosses above the green line and keeps going up, that's a bearish signal, which means the market is likely to go down. If the green line crosses above the red and keeps moving up, that's a bullish signal, which means the market is going up. But here's the thing. Vortex alone isn't enough to enter a trade. You need to combine it with parabolic SAR for confirmation. The parabolic SAR indicator shows trend reversals. That means when the market is in an uptrend and the SAR dots flip from below to above, the trend is reversing downwards. So that's a sign to enter a sell trade. And when the dots flip from above to below, the trend is reversing upwards. That's when you open a buy trade. Simple, right? Now let's see this in action. Okay, let's open a trade in Quotex. Here, look, the vortex green line just crossed above the red line, so that's a bullish signal. Then, the parabolic SAR just flipped below, which confirms the trend is going up. Now wait for 3 SAR dots to appear before entering a trade. And remember, don't expect instant results. You gotta give the market time to move. This strategy works best for 5-minute trades. All right, let's wait for the result. And there we go, we won that trade. Now let's do one more trade, this time for a sell position. Here, the vortex red line crossed above the green line, which means the market is going down. Then, the parabolic SAR flipped above, confirming a reversal to the downside. Again, wait for 3 SAR dots before entering the trade. And just like that, another win. So that's the strategy I wanted to show you today. Make sure you practice it on a demo account first before using real money. Let me know how it works for you. And if you want to see more binary option strategies, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.